Alright, so today we are going to be working on a DeWalt sander. It stopped working on me a few years ago, and I was in the middle of a project, so I just bought a new one, and I just haven't got around to seeing if I can repair it. I'm pretty sure I can, but if I can't, we learned a lesson. So let me show you it. So here it is. It's a DeWalt Orbital sander. I think it has a 5-inch pad on it. When you plug it in, there's no power. So we're gonna see what we can take apart and figure it out. So I'll show you, we'll plug it in. Nothing, it's dead as a door now. So let's get it apart. Looks like there's 3 screws up top. We'll see what. Let's get our voltmeter and see if we can see if we're getting power in or out of the switch.
Hi guys! Was I on the screen with my VR headset on?
I don't think so, buddy.
But if I was on the screen with my VR headset, that's me. Let's look at this. That looks really bad. That wasn't bad. Daddy's do this thing all the time. It rolls, but this goes over well. Screwdriver. I'm definitely not gonna stab it.
You've been talking to my audience?
Yes.
Alright.
Right before you came in, I pretended I was gonna stab it.
Oh.
What?
So let's check this switch for continuity.
Yep. I don't know what that means, but
we're gonna check to see if power goes through this, if power can go through the switch.
I bet.
Yeah. Yep. Here, hit the switch, buddy.
Where's the switch?
Right here. Other way. Okay, so
that goes.
It's a rocker switch, so it's like that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I kind of want.
Click the switch.
Which way? This way?
That way. All right, so it looks like the switch works.
Yeah, but I recommend getting a new one.
So I think I just found our problem. I'll show you. This wire right here, which goes to the windings, that goes to the one of the brushes is
cut.
Cut or burnt off. And I don't think I can repair that without getting a whole new brush.
Yep. Some people who call him a guy that can. So, I bet some people call him.
There it is. I think I might be able to repair that. Maybe.
I bet some people call him the guy that can repair everything.
Sometimes.
LOL. I don't know what that means, but I just want.
It means laugh out loud.
Oh. Usually people.
So these brushes have a spring, and then you just pull them out. It's like that.
He knows everything about these kind of.
So there's the brush with the wire that's burnt off of it.
Get your solder out.
All right, so we got the parts. They came eBay, made in China, but they came in like a day. So, and they were $10, I think. So let's get them replaced. Let's replace the other one. Came with 4, so if this ever happens again, I have an extra set. I have another one, so I'm gonna guess this is a common problem. I don't know. Wire out. Oh yeah, broken pieces. Here we go. They just go right in there. Probably have to get a set of, well, I got that one. Plug this one in. All right. So. Yeah, sure is. All right, let's put the top on. We got this, it's done. Let's put it to work.
You could sell it on your channel.
I'm not gonna sell it, buddy.